फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एसएससी संकल्प। तो आज हम एसएससी जीडी के प्रीवियस ईयर प्रैक्टिस सेट के जीएस क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं। तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन है, विच इंडियन म्यूजिशियन इज द फर्स्ट सिंगर टू गेट द हाईएस्ट सिविलियन ऑनर, द भारत रत्न? सो करेक्ट आंसर इज एमएस सुब्बलक्ष्मी। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, विच इंडियन डांसर वॉन द संगीत नाटक अकेडमी अवार्ड फॉर ओडिसी डांस इन 2018? Correct answer is Surupa Sen. Third question है, according to the part 4th A of the Indian Constitution, who is a parent or guardian has a duty to provide opportunities for education to his child, or as the case may be, what between the age of? So the correct option is 6 to 14 year. Fourth question is, what is the name of the earliest form of writing known in the Indian subcontinent? So the correct answer is in the script. Fifth question है, according to the Women's Reservation Bill 2023, how many seats in the Lok Sabha and the state legislative assemblies are reserved for women? Correct option is 1/3. Sixth question है, Pandit Birju Maharaj was an Indian dancer, composer, singer and exponent of the dash Kalna Binandin Gharana of Kathak dance in India. Correct answer है लखनऊ. Seventh question है, the IAAF World Championship in Athletics become a fully professional competition from? Correct option is 1997. Eighth question है, which institution was established in 2015 in the place of Planning Commission of India? Correct option is Niti Aayog. Ninth question है, Barash is similar to the Hindu festival Diwali, which is celebrated by which of the following tribe? Correct option is Worli and Kokna. 10th question है, Rangaswamy Cup is associated with sport. So the correct option is hockey. 11th question है, Open Network for Digital Commerce is an initiative by? Correct answer is Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. 12th question है, Dash is the most commonly used measure of money supply. Correct answer है M3. 13th question है, the first economic census of India was conducted throughout the country except Lakshadweep during dash in collaboration with the state union territories. Correct answer है 1977. Question number 14, who was the founder of Satya Ashokdhan Samaj? Correct answer is Jyotirao Phule. 15th question, who joined the Competition Commission of India as chairperson on 23rd May 2023? Answer is Ravneet Kaur. 16th question, when Mendeleev started his work, how many elements were known at that time? Correct answer is 63. 17th question, complete the statement given below with respect to the judges removal. The Indian Constitution, so the correct option is prescribes a very difficult procedure for removal of judges. 18th question, which of the following statement is correct regarding badminton? First statement is, at the beginning of the game of badminton and when the score is even, the server serves from the left surface court. Second statement, server and the receiver always stand in opposite service court but on the same side. So the correct answer is neither one or two. Which state chief minister has been awarded the Bharat Ratna Dr. Ambedkar Award for Fear-Free State in May 2023? So the correct answer is Chief Minister of UP. Last question is, dash is a total process of collecting, compiling, analyzing and disseminating demographic, economic and social data pertaining at specific time of all persons in country or a well-defined part of the country. So the correct answer is population census.